everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Maura, and I'm a physical therapist and certified yoga teacher. Today I'll be sharing a gentle stretch yoga practice for beginners. As always, please make sure that it is safe for you to be practicing yoga and that you are always listening to your body. You're welcome to utilize props and variations or skip any poses that just don't work for you. Props are not required for the practice, but I always recommend having some blocks, a blanket, and a strap nearby to pull into your practice at any moment. I'll link what I'm using in the description box below, and definitely check out that box because there will be other helpful resources and injury prevention tips in there for you. So if you're not already in an easy seat, go ahead and come to a comfortable seat now. And we're just going to close our eyes and take a couple of rounds of deep breathing, trying to lengthen the exhale phase. And on your next inhale, you're going to inhale the arms overhead, looking up only if that's comfortable. And exhale, twist to the right. And keeping your connection to that deep breathing throughout this whole class. Wind your twist, inhale up through center, and exhale, twist to the left. Gently unwind your twist and crawl the right hand out beside you as far as feels comfortable. Ground that opposite hip and reach up and over, stretching through the side body. Inhaling back up, switching sides, crawling the left hand out, grounding the right hip, and then reaching with the opposite hand, stretching through the right side. Inhale back up. And just place your hands on your hips. So we'll take some upper body circles for the hips and the low back. Try and keep the hips down on the ground as you rotate your upper body around. Just moving slowly, noticing where you feel any tension or discomfort. And reverse your direction. And then come back into your easy seat. If you have a strap, go ahead and grab that. I'm just going to turn so you can see me. And we're going to do a little bit of shoulder stretching. You can do this without a strap, but it sometimes makes it more tolerable. So in your left hand, take the strap and bring it behind your head. And then with your right hand, crawl your fingers up as high as you can feel comfortable going with the shoulders while not compromising your form by rounding your back. So we want to stay up nice and tall and continue to breathe here. Gently release your strap, switching sides, bringing the right hand behind the head, and then grabbing the strap with the left. And it doesn't matter where you are, you can be anywhere along this strap, just wherever feels like a stretch for you. Sitting up nice and tall, deep breathing. Release your strap, just place it to the side and come into a tabletop position with your hands underneath the shoulders, elbows straight, slightly micro bent. Be careful not to hyperextend them, and knees under the hips. And we'll take some cat and cow. So we're gonna inhale and go ahead and extend the spine, and then exhale, round and press as you exhale. Go through a few rounds at your own pace, matching your movement to your breath, whatever feels easy and natural. And then stop back in tabletop, widen your knees just a little bit, and sit back to child's pose. 5 deep breaths here. And when you're ready, lift your head. We're gonna come into a seated position with both legs out in front, staff pose. Just flex the feet and maybe press the palms into the mat. So make this an active stretch. Keep breathing here. And then relax a little bit. We're gonna take the left foot and tuck it in toward the right. Right leg is out straight or slightly bent. Inhale up. And then exhale, hinge at the hips and crawl your way out for a seated forward fold hamstring stretch on the right leg. Use your hands to crawl your way back up. You're gonna take that left leg and cross it over, planting the foot on the floor, reach behind, and then bring that right arm up. And as you twist, hook it on the knee, just giving you a little extra kickstand into your twist. Unwind your twist and then straighten that left leg out. We'll tuck the right leg in and do that again. Inhale, tall, lifting up from the crown and hinging from the hips. Fold as far as you can go comfortably. Less is more. Inhale back up, walk your hands up. Take that right leg, cross it over. Bring the right hand behind you. Inhale up and hook that elbow on the knee as you come into your twist. Your twist, uncross your legs, and place the soles of both feet together for butterfly. How close your feet are to your hips will depend on your flexibility, so keep them any distance that allows you to sit up straight. Lifting up nice and tall, pressing the knees down toward the mat. And then hinge forward, maybe walk your hands forward if you have that range of motion, but try to keep the motion coming from hinging at the hip, not flexing over at the spine. Walk your way back up. And let's slowly make our way down to our backs. When you get there, draw the right knee in, press the left leg out. And then take that leg across your body for a spinal twist. Slowly unwind your twist, uncross the leg, bend both knees, and then take that right leg and cross the ankle over the left knee for a figure 4 stretch. If you'd like to take it a little deeper, draw the left knee in toward the chest. Release that leg, uncross the leg, and we're going to take a hamstring stretch. So you can either bring the hands behind the thigh or you can grab a hold of your strap again if you have one nearby, hooking it around the sole of the foot and just gently drawing that leg in toward you. Bend the knee, release the strap if you are using that option, and straighten the right leg all the way out as you draw the left knee in toward the chest. And carry that knee over for a spinal twist. Gently unwind your twist, uncross the leg, bend the right knee, and then take the left ankle over the knee, maybe staying here, or maybe going a little bit further for the stretch by drawing the knee in towards your chest. Release your legs back down, taking the left leg coming into a hamstring stretch by either holding behind the thigh or using your strap on the sole of the foot. Gentle stretch down the back of the leg. Bend the knee, release the stretch, draw both knees in toward the chest. Maybe a gentle rocking from side to side if that feels good on the lower back. And extend your legs out, coming into Shavasana here, giving yourself just a minute to process everything that you've done in this practice today. Open your eyes. Take your time making your way up to a seated position. And just give yourself one deep breath here. Thank you so much for joining me for this gentle yoga flow practice. Leave a comment and let me know how this practice went for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you'd like to keep going, check out this playlist right here for lots of other beginner-friendly content. And I'll see you next time.